What are you doing? You can't just eat ketchup, Tata. That's not good. What do you mean, yes? Let me see it. Tommy, Tupac Shakur. Mr. Okay. Can I see it for a minute? No? Please. What's that? What's that? You gonna see? The hell is it, Tata? It's a dog barking. Get him, Dottie, get him. Not even my dog. What's he doing? Let's see the ketchup. Tommy, Tupac, Shakur, Adamson. That's your full name. Yes. Can I have the ketchup? No? Tommy. Tommy. Tommy, Tupac. Give me the ketchup.
Oh my gosh.
Give me the ketchup. Quit blocking.
He's acting like Paris.
Okay, fine.
Stealing all the ketchup.
Take the dang ketchup. Just like your sister.
And managed to get the truck back on the list for the first time in years.
It's ketchup, Tommy. It's not like it's a drink. What are you doing? You're being a bad boy. Everybody's watching you be a bad boy. Everybody, you don't see this video. I'm gonna post it. Quit hiding. Don't smile at me. I saw you do that. Don't. Ooh. Tommy. Ooh, Tommy. Oh, I'm gonna get. Tommy, can I have the ketchup, please? Okay, we can talk about it. Okay. You don't want to give it up? Huh? Okay. Fine, you can keep it, Cracker. Alright. Alright. It's yours. You can have it. Alright. Tell everybody night-night. Say night-night. Ta-ta.